Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to install Audacity on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open Safari browser, search for Audacity and open the link from audacityteam.org. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. Now here, click on Downloads option and here you will get download option for different operating system. Simply select macOS and download the universal installer file. Here you can see it is downloading. Once the download has been completed, simply open it. Let me minimize the browser. Here we have the installation window. Simply drag Audacity icon to the applications folder and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply close the window. If you want, you can also delete this Audacity installer file by dragging it to trash. Now to open it, click on App Launcher. Here look for Audacity application, or else you can simply search for Audacity and open it. Here click on Open. So here we have the Audacity application installed on our macOS. Using it, you can simply record and edit your audio. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.